Launching Susan Fang x Nike Dunk Low highlights the growing embrace of feminine artistry in sneaker culture. Launching September 12 at $170, the shoe embodies Fang's couture-inspired approach, merging pearl swooshes, ribbon laces, floral buttons, and silky textures with a soft baby blue palette. Known for her delicate, nature-inspired dresses, Fang introduces the same elegance into a streetwear classic, bridging high fashion and everyday wear. Nike continues its mission of elevating new creative voices by spotlighting Fang, much like how Cecilie Bahnsen's ASICS collaborations brought unapologetically feminine aesthetics into sneakers. With its balance of sophistication and practicality, the design caters to both collectors and style enthusiasts. More than footwear, the debut symbolizes a broader shift, proving sneakers can be canvases for couture-level storytelling. This release is expected to become a sought-after drop, affirming space for feminine expression within the sneaker scene.